I'm Christina Ennis. I'm a senior.
Hi, my name is Ana Martinez. I am a junior.
Hi, my name is Marco Ramos. I'm a sophomore at Judson High School.
So I kind of grew up around like the big rigs.
I got interested in diesel mechanics ever since I was a little kid.
I kind of grew up around tractors and stuff. I started getting into welding, and I was invited to do the welding team at my school. My teacher, Mr. Trees, he was like, "Hey, I think you'd like tractor," and so I joined that.
The area that I lived in, they didn't have FFA or 4-H or anything. Our teacher, Mr. Trees, saw how into it I was. From there, he started to pull me like, "Hey, do you want to be on this team?"
Mr. Trees also, he saw I was really interested in engines. So we're here for the Ag Mechanics Show. We're here presenting 259 D3 that Boca had donated to us. What we did to the machine was preventative maintenance.
We checked all the service maintenance.
Do things like an oil change.
And then we changed out the hydraulic filter. I just really like the hands-on experience with heavy-duty diesel.
And now that I'm given the opportunity to actually do hands-on experience, I think it's really something I want to pursue in the future.
I mean, it's a really good experience to come out.
This experience taught me about confidence. The whole technician that came out, he really taught us how to step out of our comfort zone.
Confidence to me is really just to show what you know and be proud that you know it.
You don't have to be anybody else to do what you want to. You can be you in any field.